In our fast-paced world, finding moments of calm and clarity can feel like a challenge. What if I told you that just a few simple mindfulness practices could transform your mental wellness and bring peace to your daily life?
Welcome to our journey towards mental wellness. Today, we're exploring 3 powerful mindfulness practices that can help you reduce stress, enhance focus, and achieve a state of inner peace. First up is deep breathing. This simple yet effective technique involves focusing on your breath to calm your mind and body. Here's how you do it. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose, counting to 4. Hold for a moment. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, counting to 6. Repeat this for a few minutes. Deep breathing activates your body's relaxation response, helping to reduce anxiety and improve concentration. It's a perfect practice for grounding yourself, especially during stressful moments. Next, we have mindful meditation. This practice is about being fully present and aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. To begin, find a quiet place and sit comfortably. Focus your attention on your breath, gently bringing your mind back when it wanders. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Mindful meditation helps increase your self-awareness, reduce stress, and enhance emotional health. Over time, you'll find yourself more centered and better equipped to handle life's challenges. Finally, let's talk about gratitude journaling. Each day, take a few moments to write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something simple like a warm cup of coffee or a supportive friend. Gratitude journaling shifts your focus to the positive aspects of your life, fostering a more optimistic outlook and reducing feelings of stress and negativity. It's a daily reminder of the good things you might otherwise overlook. Incorporating these mindfulness practices into your daily routine can lead to profound improvements in your mental well-being. Remember, it's not about perfection, but consistency. Start small, and gradually these practices will become a natural part of your life. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better mental wellness. Stay calm, stay centered, and keep nurturing your mind. Until next time, take care.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content that inspires and empowers you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on mindfulness and personal growth. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.